Alright, I've been testing Pixelmator Pro and Photomator side by side, and here's the honest takeaway after using both for real editing work. Pixelmator Pro feels like the full desktop powerhouse. You get layers, advanced retouching tools, machine learning enhancements, and proper Photoshop style control without the complexity overload. It's clearly built for deep editing sessions on Mac. Photomator, on the other hand, is way more streamlined. It's fast, clean, and focused on photo enhancement rather than heavy design work. Batch edits, smart adjustments, and its AI tools make it perfect for quick workflow edits, especially if you're working with a lot of images. So, which one wins? Honestly, it depends. Pixelmator Pro wins for creative control and professional editing depth. Photomator wins for speed and simplicity. If I had to choose just one, I'd pick Pixelmator Pro for versatility, but Photomator is a strong companion app if you shoot and edit photos daily. Overall, both apps are excellent, and honestly, they complement each other more than compete directly today.